You've probably heard of the Netflix show taking over the world. It's called K-pop Demon Hunters, and among all the characters, the ones stealing the spotlight are the Saja Boys. The visuals, the vocals, the attitude. But one thing people can't stop talking about is that hat. You know, the one from your Idol performance? It's called a gat. And no, it's not just a fashion piece. A gat is a traditional Korean hat worn by noblemen during the Joseon dynasty, especially adult men of high status. It's made from horsehair and bamboo and finished with layers of lacquer. It takes months to make, all done by hand. Under the light, it looks slightly transparent. That made it a symbol of elegance, power, and restraint. There are different types of gat too. The black gat is called hokrip. It was used mostly for formal city outings. Even the strings and decorations followed social rank. Gold, jade, coral, only for the elite. So yeah, wearing a gat meant something. And the string hanging from the sides? That's called the gat kakyeon, or simply the hat string. It keeps the hat in place, but it was also a way to show off class. Some had gold threads or carved jade beads. Basically, it's bling, Joseon style. So when the Saja Boys show up, boom, visual impact. They're demons, but they're dressed like reapers. Director Maggie King was inspired by Korean mythology. That's why the boys wear the gat and black handbook. The Saja Boys were born from stories of death, and that's what makes them unforgettable. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more, feel free to subscribe.